Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can disable GIF animations for your Zoom meetings in 2026. So let us get started, guys. So navigate to your Zoom meeting and let's assume, for example, you would like to block these GIF animations for chats in your Zoom meeting because I don't know, maybe they're annoying you. So as you can see, your meeting participants will have the opportunity to send these GIFs by clicking into this button. This is how you can disable that for you and as well as for all messages here in the chat sent by the meeting participants. What you will need to do, guys, is navigate to the video settings here inside your meeting. Click into that arrow up icon here next to the video settings, select video settings, and here inside these settings, switch from video and effects to accessibility. And here, guys, under chat and video, you will see the option disable GIF animations. So if you do this, this will affect all of your future Zoom meetings as well. So this is a general setting, not only for the given for a specific meeting here. And that's it. You don't need to save anything manually here. Just switch on this feature, disable GIF animations. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.